everyone and welcome. I am Amjad Aoun, your English teacher, and I am so grateful to be here with each of you today. I know we're all facing some really difficult and uncertain times due to the ongoing war, and my heart goes out to each of you. Together, I hope we can make this class a place of stability, support, and connection. We'll be learning and growing, and most importantly, we'll be here for each other. Let's take things one step at a time, and please know that I'm here for you every step of the way. So don't hesitate to ask about what you need. For today, I'm gonna explain about two basic types of writing: narrative or informative. What is a narrative? A narrative is a story. Whenever you hear the word narrative, keep in mind that you are dealing with a story. Whenever you have a story, you need story elements: characters, setting, and plot. We need sequence of events in the plot. When you deal with narrative texts, keep in mind that the writer aims to entertain you as readers. There are some examples about narrative texts: short stories, novels, plays, or fables. Even the narratives are called fiction writing. Now, what is informative writing? Whenever you deal with informative writing, keep in mind that you are dealing with a lot of information and facts. It is non-fiction. Non-fiction means not a story. The informative writing gives facts about the topic. So we have facts, like in science, geography, medicine, and so on. Informative writing gives information to the reader about one topic with facts and details. It aims to inform the reader about this topic. There are some vocabulary words for informative writing. Whenever we have a paragraph, we need the topic sentence that has the main idea about what we are talking. It's called the big idea, what it's mostly about. We need some supporting details that explain this main idea or the topic sentence. And usually we end with a closing sentence or a concluding sentence. Now, let me think of a topic to show you two different passages that talk about one topic, which is, for example, let me think, birds. I will let you see two passages. One of them will be narrative, the other will be informative, and in both of them we have birds. Let's check the difference. In number one, birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates characterized by feathers, toothless beaked jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. Now, do I have a story here? Do I have character setting and plot? Where's the sequence of events? What's happening first, second, after that? Nothing of this. What does it mean? This passage is informative. Right, it's informative. It's full of facts and information about what birds are. This is science. Let me move to the second passage. Once, a little blue funny bird took birth in a nest along with his many brothers and sisters. Days pass by and all of them grow and start to fly in the sky. While the little bird is still in the nest, and afraid to fly. He is full of curiosity and wants to see the world outside the nest. What do we have now here? Yes, you are right. We have a story, so it's a narrative. How did I know that? I have a character, the bird. I even have his brothers and sisters. I have time, setting, once. I have the nest, where is the place. I have even sequence of events, days pass by, and what he feels there. So it's a narrative. Now we have a common question that you usually see in comprehension questions about a passage. You will see this question while you are answering comprehension questions in a test or about reading comprehension questions. Now, what is the type of writing used in the above passage? Explain. Notice that we have two parts of the same question. What is the type of writing? And we have to explain. So, whenever you want to give the answer of the second part of the question, you should start with a new line. Let me give two ways of answering this question. The first one, if the passage is narrative, I have to answer in a complete sentence. The type of writing used is narrative. Then I explain on a new line. It has story elements, characters. You give, for example, the bird. Setting, I have the nest and once, and the plot, some sequence of events. If the text is informative, I have to answer in a complete sentence also. The type of writing used is informative. How did I know? I have to explain. On a new line, I explain. It's full of facts and information about what birds are. In this way, you have complete answers. Thanks for listening and watching. Goodbye.